Hey there, I'm Kevin, a senior engineer at Connectify. Along with the rest of our support team, I'm here to answer any questions you may have about using Speedify to combine your internet connections. Our team was sick of unreliable and unsafe internet. Every time our phones switched from Wi-Fi to cellular, our music would stop, our Skype calls would drop, and our videos would buffer. It was super frustrating. That's why we built Speedify, to solve our own problem. Speedify is an intelligent VPN that allows you to combine Wi-Fi and cellular for a secure, faster, and more reliable connection. It works on PC, Mac, iOS, and Android, so you can combine all kinds of connections. We have an extensive knowledge base where you can find detailed articles and animated gifs that explain all kinds of popular topics, like getting started, selecting servers, and combining connections on your computer or smartphone. Our support team is also here 7 days a week to answer your questions, whether you're a new user installing for the first time or a power user wondering which transport mode to use. Don't hesitate to contact us. I'll leave a link in the description below.
Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Tap the bell for notifications so you can stay up to speed on all our latest content.